Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding to a group. Given two groups, students will learn how to add objects to the smaller group to make the two groups equal. Now I'll just go through the first example in detail. Example 1. Here we have Bill. 1, 2, 3. Bill has 3 pairs. Here we have Sam. 1, 2. Sam has 2 pairs. We must give Sam one more pair to make the groups equal. So if we have the extra pair here, that's not a bad looking pair, is it? It's just the wrong colour, but that doesn't matter. There we are. So if we give Sam one more pair, then each of them has 3 pairs. So that's the idea of these exercises. Example 2, Mary has 4 tomatoes, Susie has 2 tomatoes. You have to work out how many to give Susie to make the groups equal. Ted has 6 oranges and Paul has 3 oranges. How many do we need to give to Paul to make the groups equal? Sally has 7 marbles and Rachel has 2 marbles. How many do we need to give to Rachel to make the groups equal? Hugh has 6 strawberries and Wal has 1 strawberry. How many do we need to give to Wal to make the groups equal? And finally, Faye has 4 apples and Anne has no apples. How many do we need to give to Anne to make the groups equal? So that's a very straightforward topic, but it's really important because it teaches students how to make groups equal and the numbers they need to add on to make that possible.